In the ASP.NET, there are some basic controls in the first unit. ASP.NET SMS, which where we using in HTML programming like browsing forms. In browsing, there are many forms. Forms will be using some tags. Tags is also uses in this ASP.NET also. There are some many topics also. First, here introductions and basic controls. Introduction of IDE we will understanding in our next session. First session we will be understanding introduction to web forms, page life cycles, global application class, and what is configuration file, means web configure. And there are some advantages and feature of ASP.NET. So first, introduction of web forms. Web forms are hearts and soul of ASP.NET. Web forms are user interface. It is also user interface because user will be creating these forms and it is running in this server like a browser also. So like in VB.NET we will creating Windows applications. In Windows application runs in Windows form. So using a form, same as here we are using a form, but it's run in where browser. So it is using one browser forms also. It is also known as web forms also, because so what is a web form here? The web forms are heart and soul of ASP.NET. It is heart and soul છે, મીન્સ એની એક આત્મા છે ASP.NET ની, એની વગર કંઈ રનિંગ થઈ શકે નહીં. એક યુઝર ઇન્ટરફેસ પણ વેબ ફોર્મ્સ છે. એલિમેન્ટ્સ આર ગિવન વેબ એપ્લિકેશન લુક એન્ડ ફીલ, દેખાવ કેવો જોઈએ એલિમેન્ટ્સ વેબ ફોર્મ્સનો એની વાત કરેલી છે. વેબ ફોર્મ્સ આર સિમિલર વિન્ડોઝ ફોર્મ, કીધું ને વિન્ડોઝ ફોર્મની જેમ સિમિલર છે. વિન્ડોઝ ફોર્મમાં કેમ બધી પ્રોપર્ટી મેથડ છે, ઇવેન્ટ, same as here also property method events, there are many controls also is like same Windows form. So placed on them એ જ રીતે અહીં ગોઠવવામાં આવે છે, બરોબર. However, this UI, this user interface means what? Web forms means this UI elements render themselves in appropriate markup language required by request example of HTML. It is a best one of the best example of HTML. In HTML, what do the creating a form which window is creating one web form. This web form is using like some tags, JavaScript, etc. Whatever you use in language, whatever you say in our browser. So HTML is one of the example. Okay, if you use Microsoft Visual Studio.NET, you will also get the familiar drag and drop user interface used in create your UI for your web applications. Here also same as in VB.NET, we will control drag and drop in your form and creating some controls in your form. The same method is here. What here say, like familiar drag and drop interface. This interface, drag and drop interface, also here. In here also you can drag and drop your many control, some advanced control also drag and drop in your web form, means web applications, like a user interface. Okay, web forms are made up of two components. Web forms બે components થી બને છે. First કયું છે? The visual portion. Visual portion means ASPX file. મીન્સ આપણે તે જોઈ શકીએ છીએ કે આપણે જે કંટ્રોલ્સ લીધા છે, કંટ્રોલ્સ કેવા છે એને જોવા માટે ASPX એકનું visual portions. And second portion, behind portion, means back end side part, back end portion. What is the back end portion? The back end portion is the code behind the form. So same as HTML also, you can use some visual portion, but visual portion where we will stay there is also in a running time, not in coding time. Okay, but here two portion will be component here, which the visual portion, which is known as ASPX file, and second is code, means backend portion. Okay, which resides its separate class file. Same as in VB.NET also, we know that all the controls are what is class, and whatever class is method, properties, events also used here. Okay, here some diagram to say Windows form, how to see, we see. Okay, okay, I think Windows form class here also. So what diagram say? Diagram say first in browser. In browser, IIS, in IIS is one of the organization. This organization what handles? This organization handle web form and web control, which is our user choices. What web form it initial. Okay. Then what? .NET language. There are, or any language, VB.NET, C Sharp, C++, whatever you use in your web form, which is using backend coding language. So first one, web form and web control here. Okay. Then this web form is like whatever, sir, ASP.x, CS means class file. In web form, what is a class file? Okay. Class file, which is, this is handle this ASPX form. This is visual portion. This is backend portion. Okay. So these visual portions handle what is backend portion. It handle this visual portion of this control. Okay. This all the web form is initial or running in the browser by using this organization. It not forget IIS. Okay. IIS. Next. Here description about that. The code behind the class file for all web page form web page in project are compiled into project dynamic link libraries.dll file. ASPX page file also compiled but somewhat differently the first time user browser the ASPX page. ASP.NET automatically generate .class file represent the page, compile it to a second .dll file. Dynamic link library also here working for a running our web page in server, means in browser. So the generate class for the ASPX page inherit from the code behind it class into project.dll. Same as આપણે વાત કરી તેમ કે આ જે હેન્ડલ કરે છે એની વાત કરે છે. When the user request web page URL, જ્યારે user request કરે URL થી કે આ પેજ એને ડિસ્પ્લે કરવું છે બ્રાઉઝર ની અંદર, તો user ક્યાં જાય છે? The DLL file જે dynamic link library છે એ ફાઇલને સર્ચ કરશે અને એને રન ક્યાં કરશે? સર્વરની ઉપર. On the server, run on the server and dynamically produce the HTML output of our page. It is web form introduction. Okay. In this web form introduction, the purpose of web form. What is the web form purpose? We see here. Okay. Web forms and ASP.NET were created to overcome some limitation of ASP.NET. This new strengths of includes separation of HTML interface application logic દ્વારા એનું સેપરેશન કરી દેવામાં આવે છે. એક વિઝ્યુઅલ પોર્શન રાખવામાં આવે છે, કોડિંગ પોર્શન રાખવામાં આવે છે. The rich set of server side controls that can detect the browser and send out appropriate markup language such as HTML. HTML ની જેમ જ સર્વર સાઇડ વર્કિંગ પણ કરી શકાય છે બ્રાઉઝરની ઉપર. બ્રાઉઝર ઉપર સેન્ડ રિક્વેસ્ટ કરે છે, એક્સેપ્ટ કરે છે, એનો આઉટપુટ ડિસ્પ્લે કરે છે, like that in HTML. Like less code to write due to data binding capability of new server side .NET controls. data binding કરી શકાય છે જેમ VB.NET માં આપણે કોઈ પણ કંટ્રોલને ડેટા બાઇન્ડ કરતા હતા by using database. Same as here તેના માટેનો લેસ કોડ, ઓછામાં ઓછો કોડ આમાં યુઝ કરી શકાય છે, યુઝ કરીને એને ડિસ્પ્લે કરાવી શકીએ છીએ. Event based programming model that is familiar in Microsoft Visual Basic programming. Event based programming means your event handling છે, keyboard event, mouse event, whatever you use in your program. There are many type of event programming also here. Okay. Compile code and support the multiple language. Code ને compile કરે છે, many language supported છે, as opposed ASP.NET which is interpreted as Microsoft Visual Scripting, VB Script and Microsoft આ બધી languages support કરે છે. Allows the third parties create the controls, provide additional functionality. તો આ બધા એના web form ના purpose છે. What is the purpose? So you will write this note of these topics also here.